Hey, what's going on, everybody? Basically, in this video, I'm going to give you a quick demo on client onboarding system. So, basically, a lot of you are like asking for a client onboarding system. So that's why I'll give a demo to this system. So, basically, I created this system for one of my client I think in the month of September, where like they need to basically onboard automate the onboarding processes. The main reason is like a lot of team member are like forgetting few tasks here and there, and that's what they want to avoid. So let's say, for example, let's assume a scenario where like you close a client, and then from there the first step, second step, third step you need to follow, right? You need to give them everything that they need in order to get an idea of like what actually they need to do in further, right? So basically in that there are a lot of things in the process, and then sometimes as a human we tend to forget few things here and there. So that's why this automated system is like really needed for avoiding that. So that's why the system is here in the place. So now let's have a quick demo of like how this particular system is working, and then in the last, like if you need any sort of a help, you can always you can always reach out to me, right? And then also, like, I have given the link of this system in the description, and then the system is completely free for you to download and use it in your own agency or in your own business, right? So basically the system is the starting point of the system is like whenever like we fill up the form in Tally about and filled all the information about the clients, and then that's when the flow will triggered. And then once the flow will trigger, it will create an channel in the Slack. It will create two channels. One is like client channel, another one is the co-work, where like client and you will be in that channel, and in the client channel you and your internal team will be there, right? So there are two channels that we are creating here. After that, this flow will then create a drive folder for that particular client in a certain location, right? So this will then create a drive folder, and then there are certain conditions. So let's say that first one is like we create internal folder for ourselves, where like we store all the research and everything that we do internally. So that's one folder. Under that folder, and then there's another folder which we create for client, where like we store all the files and everything for the client. So let's say, for example, in the end, like when we offboard the client, we want to give all the files that all the work that we did, right? So in that case, we want to just give them access to this particular folder, and then they will then access to everything and anything that they need, right? So that's that. And then once that is created, then we'll create a kickoff sheet. So basically this is the sheet where we have a list of questions that we want our client to answer, right? So it may be a Google Doc, it may be a Google Sheet, or something else, or maybe some sort of a form. So you can have anything, we can add it here. So that will be created, and then once kickoff sheet will be created for that particular client, will then send the kickoff message to that client in the co-work channel. And then from there we also like send an internal message to our sales team to brief us on like what exactly client is, and then how their approach, how their behavior and everything. So for that we send a message to internal client channel, and then from there on, once we know that okay, what exactly we sell, based on that we create a Google Sheet for from the templated version, and then we can create all of this based on the criteria that we have set up here, right? So now again, it looks maybe different for you. There might be a few changes here and there in the process, but again, the all in all, the main concept of this onboarding system is to like avoid the manual work, and then also like avoid the miscommunication, misinformation and everything. So yeah, that's the main goal of having this system in your agency or in your business whenever like you onboard a new client. So yeah, I hope this will help you to understand the importance of the client onboarding system, and I hope this making sense to you. If yes, just like this video and subscribe this channel, so that way it will help you to grow this channel and help you in any way and every way possible. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye.